Hi, this is SmartDesigner Technical Service team. In this video, I'm going to show briefly how to make use of the neat mode and also how to apply the neat design to your image. So when you open SmartDesigner software program, you go to File and you click on Create New Image. Then you can now select Neat Image and OK. So this is your workspace. You can also give your workspace a background color, and you can also change it at the end of the design if you don't like this color. So before we dive or before we go into designing using the neat mode, I would like to explain some key functional tools I think you need to know. So the first functional tool is the color mode. So this is the basic. Okay, this helps you give your drawing the basic design. And the next functional tool is the stitch design, which gives your image a real design and makes it very much beautiful. And the last one is the neat mode structure. So this neat mode structure are the neat symbols. Okay, so all these here you see are the neat symbols which are efficient for professionals, and these symbols helps you to maximize creativity, and you can also make it your own design. So you can also use the neat symbols to design your sketchy images or design anything. So let's move over to designing something. Okay, so let's give the background a different color. Then now you can start by clicking any color on the color palette and you can start designing.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down.
So now, how can you copy this? So what you need to do is to first select the symbol, and then after selecting the symbol, you can now come to this copy and you can now copy it here. But we don't want to copy, we would want to repeat the symbol. So first we need to click on repeat, and you can now repeat as many as you want. And also now we need to copy it down, so we can copy it, and this is it here. Okay, so now we can now repeat this flower. So this is how you can repeat the flower. So now we would want to repeat the flower, so we need to select all. Okay, that's why we can repeat the flower. So after selecting all, then you can now come and repeat the flower. Okay, after switching over to the drape mode, you can now copy your image here and also apply the neat design to your image. You can also decrease or increase. You can also make it brighter or darker. You can also apply contrast, so less contrast or more contrast. Let's apply our neat design to this image. Yes, so this is how you can apply the neat design to your image. And let's compare. So this is the original picture and this is the neat design. we applied to our image. Yes, so this is the end of the neat design video, and if you have any question, please don't hesitate to email us by sd@okmodern.com. Thank you and see you in our next video.